In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Vimeo account. Whether you're diving into video creation for fun or connecting with your audience, having a Vimeo account is a valuable asset. Let's go through each step, ensuring that you know exactly what to do to set up your account seamlessly. First, navigate to vimeo.com. Join. This page is your starting point for joining the Vimeo community, where you can watch, share, and upload videos. Here you'll see the different ways you can sign up. It's designed to be straightforward, so don't worry if you're not a tech whiz. Next, you have two main options for signing up, either using your email and password or your Google account. If you choose the email route, make sure to use an address you check regularly. It's how Vimeo will contact you for account verification. Picking a strong password is crucial here, something memorable yet secure. Alternatively, for a quicker sign up, you can opt to use your Google account. This method streamlines the process by removing the need to remember another set of login credentials. Plus, with a Google account, you're only a couple of clicks away from having your account set up. Once your login option is sorted out, it's time to select a plan. Vimeo offers various subscription plans, from free to paid, catering to different needs. If you're a beginner or just exploring the platform, the free plan is a great starting point. It's perfect for casual use and allows you to get a feel for the platform without any upfront cost. If you decide later that you want more features, such as additional storage or advanced privacy options, you can easily upgrade to a paid plan at any time. After choosing your plan, check your inbox for a verification email from Vimeo. This step is crucial because it confirms your email address, ensuring that your account is secure and ready to go. In the email, you'll find a link. Simply click it to confirm your email address and activate your account. And there you have it. Your Vimeo account is now set up. You're ready to explore the world of Vimeo, whether uploading your videos or connecting with other creators. Remember, as you become more familiar with the platform, you can always adjust your plan to suit your needs. Happy filming and sharing on Vimeo, and thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you have questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy your Vimeo journey.